How to create a thank you page with step-by-step instructions. A thank you page is a page that appears after visitors complete your form. Thank you pages are a great way to end your campaign and leave your visitors with a final positive impression. A well-designed thank you page can even further increase the conversion rate of your campaign. It goes without saying that the success of any campaign depends on how effectively it is implemented. The thank you page is an important part of any campaign because this is the last page users see, so it needs to be impactful enough for them to remain with a positive final impression. Keep watching to see how to create one step by step. What is a thank you page? A thank you page is a page that appears after visitors complete your form. You can create these pages to sell your products, set up a sales call, tell them where they can find their free or paid product. There are multiple reasons why you should use a thank you page. For example, if your visitors are interested in your free product, they might be interested in the paid version of your free product. Another reason why you might want to create a thank you page is to set up a survey to ask your customers what they want or need from you. 3 steps to create a thank you page. Your thank you page should reflect the look and feel of the rest of your website so that it blends in seamlessly. Once you have determined what information you need to include on your thank you page, it's time to create the page. Step 1. Create a new page in your website. Name the page Thank You or something similar. Don't include a form on this page. Step 2. Design your thank you page. Use your new page as a way to further persuade potential customers to commit to your product by providing additional information about it. Step 3. Create a link to the thank you page within the form. When your visitors complete the form, they should be routed to the thank you page. What to include on your thank you page? A strong call to action. The most important thing to include on your thank you page is a call to action that urges visitors to take an action. A strong call to action will urge your visitors to complete the whatever it is you want them to do. Additional information. Your thank you page should provide additional information to your visitors. This information can be about your product, your company, or any other relevant topic. The information you provide on your thank you page can help to persuade visitors to commit to your product. Social media links. Another thing you can include on your thank you page is links to your social media accounts. Including these links can help to further increase the conversion rate of your campaign by allowing visitors to connect with you on social media. Shipping information. If any of your products have a shipping time, you should include that on your thank you page. This information will help to ease any concerns visitors may have about receiving their product. 2 things that can increase your form's conversion rate. Make the call to action button stand out. In order to further increase the conversion rate of your form, you want to make your call to action button stand out so that visitors can't miss it. You can do this by either changing the color of the button or increasing the size of the button. Include a guarantee. Offering customers a guarantee can help to further increase the conversion rate of your form because it makes them feel more secure in their purchase. You can also include a guarantee on your thank you page so that visitors can read it and feel more secure in their purchase. Conclusion. The success of any campaign depends on how effectively it is implemented. The thank you page is an important part of any campaign because this is the last page users see, so it needs to be impactful enough for them to remain with a positive final impression. There are numerous ways to create a thank you page, but all of them should include a strong call to action, additional information, social media links, and shipping information if applicable. The most important thing, though, is that you include a strong call to action on your thank you page that urges visitors to take an action. Make your call to action stand out so that it can't be missed, and include a guarantee if applicable. These 2 things can help you further increase the conversion rate of your form and help you generate extra revenue. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.